Let's now understand a few other data structures in Python, that is tuples. Alright, what are tuples? And tuples are just a bit, a bit different. They are defined with round brackets, and you can define them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with round brackets. You can index them. They are ordered, which means you can call them with an index, let's say t of 0. You can call them as t of 1, or t of 1 is going to be 2, of course. So each of them have an index like that. Can you call them with t of -1? Like how you call them with the lists? Yes, you can. Alright. There are certain things that you cannot do though. T of 0. If it was a list, okay, I want to change it. I don't like it. I want to change it to 5. T of 0, the 0th element. It says tuple object does not support item assignment, which means tuples are immutable. Tuples are immutable, unchangeable. Now this is very important for us. Why? Because many a times we are going to deal with tuples which are going to be, many times the function which returns, all of them, they pack it into a tuple and send it back to you so that you do not change the output. Okay, the output cannot be changed. People do not tamper with your tuples and stuff like that. So tuples are immutable. You cannot change them. You cannot add any elements to this tuple. You cannot subtract any elements from this tuple. All you have two methods for this tuple. You have a t.count. Okay, sorry, it takes exactly one argument. Cool. So what should I do? T.count, I should say 5. Which means it says how many 5s are there in this tuple. That's it. Or t.index of 5. What is the index of 5? 4. The index of 5 is 4. So that's how tuples are just going to return that to you. Of course, you can use certain built-in functions on the tuple, like by saying max of t, min of t. You can also say you can also say len of t. You can iterate by saying for I in range len of t, right? I in range len of t, print I, comma, t of I. What is I going to return to you? I is going to return to you the index, because you're just incrementing I from 0 till the length of t. And you have to, if you want the element corresponding to that, you need to say t of whatever is the index. Correct? Of course, there's another for also, just like how list had another for. You could say for every element in t directly without using range function. I could just print the element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, those are the elements. Alright? So I can do that even for a tuple. But I cannot change a tuple. I cannot add, I cannot subtract, I cannot modify. This is done so that the tuples are secure from change of data. If you want to change data, use a list. If you do not want any change to happen, use a tuple, right? That's about a tuple. Let's see about a dictionary now.